Hi, this is Fred Bretsky in the Aecoo lab, as I have it all to myself, hence my voice is echoing. Anyhow, I'm in the Aecoo lab here at the Sait campus, and I've blown up our water softener assignment and jet pumps assignment. So just to give you an idea how you can immerse yourself right into the model, here we have a single pipe jet pump in our mechanical room included with a softener, where we have to know all the details of how a softener regenerates. And then, of course, your hot water tank, a couple of furnaces, and our friendly neighborhood plumber. And as we go here, this is what I like to show on this is a two-pipe deep well jet assembly with jet assembly. And there is the jet assembly right there, as you can see. And this two-pipe system, you can go a little bit deeper. Now, what I like about this is just illustrating, we have the jet assembly way down there underground. Now, what's cool about mixed reality is we can even teach underground. So let's take a look. Let's pull this up and see what, in this well casing, what is on the bottom of it. So I'm going down. Right now, around 25 feet. And here you can see, I'm going to walk in behind because otherwise it looks backwards. So we go in behind here, and this tells us how this jet assembly works by driving the water down through the jet assembly and then and then it goes up through the venturi, which creates a vacuum and sucks the water out of the ground. This way we can get a little bit deeper than a shallow well. And look, this is the foot valve that's on the bottom of the shallow well, of this deep well pump, and I'm going to show you where it is on this tailpiece. And there it is right here. The foot valve is right on the bottom. Now this foot valve, so water is sucked out of the aquifer of the earth, and of course, if this foot valve screen gets plugged, it's going to cause problems, right? Or if it fails, the spring assembly in it, it's also going to cause problems. The pump is going to run too often, or it's going to run too hard because it's going to create a greater vacuum. So now we're going to push this casing back down in the ground. As you can see, I'm going to turn around here. Oops. Go through that. And go past the jet assembly. And let's get back down to ground level. Oops. We're slowly getting there a foot at a time. There it is. And there's our two-pipe jet assembly with our 1.25" suction pipe and 1-inch drive line. And I'm going to put it right back on the ground where it belongs. Right here. And this is the kind of detail that you can talk about. So what we would do on a lesson here is I show them a video of this exact model. We talk about all the details. Then I walk them through with HoloLens to discuss even further details on it. And then we could do an oral test, take off easily all this writing, and just see if the student knows what he's talking about. I could ask anything on a cabinet, water softener, on the hot water tank, what is hard water, how does a softener work, and of course, what's Bernoulli's principle, that's how this pump works. And as you can see, this model I have to fix slightly because this check valve is out of place. It should be right there on the suction line. So you can, so any mistakes I make in a 3D model, you can also see. So you can teach quite a variety with a model like this. And I believe the student, once he puts HoloLens on and walks through it, just like you're taking him through a site tour, will get a much more immersive, comprehensive understanding of what we're teaching him. It doesn't have to be plumbing, it could be anything. As long as you have the information available to you, anything can be made from your mind.